guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. I did some damage today at Trader Joe's. We needed a full overhaul of things and I picked up some new things to try and then some staples. So let's get into it, starting with protein. I grabbed some fresh salmon. Figured we'd have that this week. I haven't had salmon in a while. One thing, ground turkey, because we already have some in the fridge, but I also picked up, which I've never picked up from them, is their ground chicken. I love making ground chicken zucchini meatballs. They're my favorite. And I grabbed a spaghetti squash to have that with this week. So I grabbed 2 things of those, and this has 8% fat. So it's higher in calorie than the ground turkey, but they're more like moist and not so dry, the meatballs, so I actually really prefer it with the chicken. I also grabbed this. I like making my own pizza, which you'll see here. I've been craving pizza, so I thought this would be nice. So this is the salami jamon serrano, which I think is ham, and then chorizo, which is, but yeah, they're all like pork-based cured meats. Grabbed a thing of eggs. I normally get it from Kroger, but I did not feel like going to multiple grocery stores today, so I just went to Trader Joe's. Into vegetables, I grabbed some baby cauliflower. I think this is really good. It's basically like broccolini. I grabbed some baby potatoes. I don't know what's with all the baby stuff. I just thought this would be like a nice, just a change up. We really don't eat potatoes a ton. We eat a lot of rice, so I thought I'd grab those. Brussels sprouts, first bag of the season. Going into fall, I thought those would be yummy roasted. I also haven't tried them in the air fryer on the roast in the air fryer. Those are probably good too. Cherry Covert green beans, some tomatoes, again for like that pasta potentially. Some shredded cabbage. We haven't had shrimp tacos in a while, so I figured we'd throw that in the mix this week. Some cilantro for those as well. This is that spaghetti squash I was telling you. So you cut it in half, bake it in the oven with some salt, pepper, olive oil, and then you shred it and it looks kind of like pasta. So yeah. Some Persian cucumbers. I prefer these over the regular cucumbers. I just think they're good. Grabbed a couple of red bell peppers, you know the drill. Some butternut squash. Again, I thought with the Brussels sprouts, maybe the potatoes, like kind of like a, I don't know, like a bowl situation. Thought it would be good. And then what I've been loving to do with my bowls and stuff to add some like more fresh veg to it is to take this organic shredded kale and massage it with a little bit of oil and some seasonings and use this as a base, and it's so good. I know it doesn't sound good, but it's really good. It's not as like leafy if you massage it with some oils. Some spinach for smoothies. I haven't had my smoothies in a while, so I need to get back on that, so I grabbed that. I will put both of those in Tupperwares with paper towels so they will last at least a week, if not more. So do that if you're not currently doing that. Some seedless grapes for Arlo. These ones, I really like those from Trader Joe's. And some bananas. Moving on to dairy. I grabbed this garlic and herb pizza dough. Again, like I said, I wanted pizza. Some Greek yogurt. Some shredded mozzarella cheese for the pizza as well as this Jarlsberg light Swiss cheese. I like this on my sandwiches. Those are really good. Because I didn't go to Kroger and I normally get Dave's Killer Bread, I grabbed this organic super seed bread, which is from Trader Joe's. I like it. I prefer the other one better, but this has like carrot. It's got more things in it, but the heck are you doing down there? Apple, carrots, situations like that, so it's just good for you. This I've never tried. This is the arugula and Parmigiano Reggiano ravioli. So we'll try those. I don't know, I figured Arlo might like them, but they'd just be an easy thing to have throughout the week. I also grabbed this, which I think is a fall item. It's rice, cauliflower, and butternut squash risotto. I don't know, it sounds pretty good though. So grab that. Some berry medley for Scott's smoothies. A staple, you know, the gorgonzola gnocchi, so good. These little chicken dumplings, I actually liked them for Arlo, so I grabbed them again for him. Just as like a quick dinner. I think whole milk for Arlo. and then a bunch of pantry stuff. So I grabbed another thing of pasta sauce. I wasn't sure if we were out or not, but I just grabbed it just to be safe. I grabbed some rice. I like to make this ahead of time, put it in the rice cooker, and then pre-portion it out into cups and cup-sized portions, and then wrap it in saran wrap, throw it in the freezer, and you have your own like ready to go rice versus buying the frozen pack at Trader Joe's. I just think it's super, super convenient. So I do that ahead of time, and I thought that would be something I'm gonna do this week because I don't know how much we have. I bought a ton of coffee. This one we've had before, the Papua New Guinea Simba coffee. This is a medium roast with notes of sugarcane, cherry, and lime. That one was good. Grabbed this one again. I don't know how long this is gonna be out, but I think this is seasonal. This is the Peaberry Select Harvest. All of these I did not grind because we have a grinder at home, but I ground one bag. And then this is the Kintamtani, the Indonesia Bali coffee. We had this before, it was good as well. This is notes of orange peel, vanilla, and dried fruit. And then this is the one that I just picked up today, and we haven't tried this one. This is the Quartet. It's the 3 Keys coffee, and it is notes of chocolate, cherry, and vanilla with crimson, mahogany, and violet. I don't know. And roasted nuts and brown sugar. I don't know. I just feel like it tastes like coffee, but I got this to try out. So I ground that one. It smells so good. I haven't had coffee today. Some corn. Arlo loves canned corn. Arlo ate the crap out of these yesterday. These are the organic pinto beans. Some garbanzo beans, and then some black beans just to stock up and have in the pantry. This was so good. If you have not checked out my seasonal all things pumpkin fall Trader Joe's haul, I'll link it down below, but this is the pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix. This was so freaking good, you guys. I picked it up again. We make the entire thing, and then we freeze already pre-made balls and put them in the freezer, and that way you just pop out, you know, 4 and have them after dinner. They're just amazing. This is another thing from that haul that I had to pick up again because it was so good. It's the pumpkin bread and muffin mix. We made it into bread, and it was delicious. I grabbed some pretzel thins. They did not have the everything but the bagel whatever seasoned ones, so I just grabbed the original ones because Arlo's been really loving pretzels lately. But sad thing, my Trader Joe's has completely stopped carrying any seaweed. I don't know if they're doing that because they just stock is really bad. I don't know, but they have nothing, not even the packs, absolutely no seaweed. So I'm really sad. But I'm gonna check out probably the one further away from me to see if I can hopefully get some seaweed, because that is just not good for me. Cheddar Rockets for Arlo. We actually like these better than Goldfish. They're like flakier and puffier and crunchier and just good. I grabbed him some quick pouches, so apple banana and apple mango. He loves these little cereal bars. This is the strawberry one, which I don't think he's had that flavor before. And then I also grabbed him these to try out. These are apple strawberry fruit bars. I grabbed 2 of those, and then an apple banana fruit bar. It's literally just that, I'm pretty sure. Apples and bananas and apples and strawberries. They're like kind of like a healthy fruit roll-up sort of thing. And then I grabbed 2 protein bars for myself, one in the cinnamon roll, which I've never tried, and then this Think, which I've never tried as well. This one's the brownie crunch. So I grabbed 2 of those. I like to eat those as like a dessert because they're chocolatey and good. So I thought I'd pick those up. So that is everything that we got from Trader Joe's. So on the list of things this week, I'm gonna do a spaghetti squash night with probably some chicken meatballs, a pizza, and some shrimp tacos, some salmon, and then probably a like, I don't know, butternut squash, Brussels sprout, potato sort of bowl. So that is everything. Ooh, yeah, because we have pork in the fridge right now. So that is everything that I recently picked up, or that I just picked up from Trader Joe's, my weekly grocery haul. Like I said, we needed a pretty much full restock because we had just gotten back from camping and we have nothing. We do have broccolini in the fridge. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.